Imagine you're cleaning up a massive mess. You've got laundry piled high, dishes overflowing, and a general state of chaos. You're reaching for your trusty Tide detergent, but then a thought hits you: what if I'm tired of Tide? Can I just delete my account? Today, we're diving into that very question. Can you delete your Tide account? Tide is a popular laundry detergent brand known for its effectiveness and variety of products. But sometimes, people change their minds. Maybe you found a new favorite, or perhaps you're simply ready for a change. Whatever the reason, deleting your Tide account might be on your mind. Addressing the main question, can I delete my Tide account? Unfortunately, Tide doesn't offer a direct option to delete your account. This might seem a bit frustrating, especially if you're looking to completely sever your ties with the brand. However, there are a few alternative approaches you can consider. 1. Contact customer support. Reach out to Tide's customer support team. They may be able to provide you with more information or assist you in deleting your account. While they might not have a specific process for account deletion, they could offer alternative solutions or insights. 2. Opt out of marketing communications. If you're primarily concerned about receiving marketing emails or other communications from Tide, you can usually opt out of these. Look for unsubscribe or opt-out link in their emails, or visit their website and search for privacy settings or preferences. 3. Limit your account activity. If you don't want to completely delete your account but want to reduce your interaction with Tide, you can limit your account activity. Stop purchasing Tide products and avoid engaging with their social media or online platforms. 4. Consider a new laundry detergent. If you're dissatisfied with Tide, explore other laundry detergent options. There are plenty of great alternatives available, so don't be afraid to try something new. Additional considerations. Before making a decision, consider the following factors. Loyalty programs. If you're enrolled in a Tide loyalty program, you might want to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks of deleting your account. Product preferences. Think about the specific Tide products you use. If you found a favorite that you can't live without, it might not be worth deleting your account. Future needs. Consider your future laundry needs. If you anticipate needing Tide products in the future, it might be easier to keep your account active. While Tide doesn't offer a direct option for deleting your account, there are alternative approaches you can take. Whether you choose to contact customer support, opt out of marketing communications, limit your account activity, or switch to a different laundry detergent, the decision is ultimately yours. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about deleting your Tide account or laundry detergent alternatives, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.